Break it down to me.
You don't want to talk racial on camera, dog.
I don't want to talk racial on camera.
Talk to me. Break it down. You're always interviewing me. Let me interview you.
I got.
Bottom of the neck. Come on.
No,
Tell me.
What I'm saying is,
What you-
yeah, me and I put this out before I use it in a stand-up skit. Yeah, look. I'm saying at the bottom of their hand, looks like uncooked hamburger meat. And the bottom of their feet looks like uncooked hamburger meat. I can't fuck with it. You ever throw a burger on the grill, it looks like a black stick toast. You know what I'm saying?
That's fucking tough.
Oh, I'm fucked up. You wanted me to watch you fuck, but I'm fucked up now. 'Cause I'm telling the truth.
I fuck with bitches whose heels felt like Brillo pads. Scratched up the
Bitch, if you
shit out of
scratch
me.
my shins, get out of my bed. That's all. If you scratch my shins, get the fuck out of my bed.
Yeah. You want some fucking Vaseline for that ass?
Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
That shit. So that's what it is. So no, but there's another thing we're talking about tonight. I could never. You know what an H bridge is?
The H what?
H bridge. Feel it. Bridge and the H. Got a chick in the middle. You and your
H
homie.
clap. The H clap.
I could never do that, dog.
Have you ever just had the claps?
Huh?
He didn't respond fast enough.
Also now nobody gets STDs? That's just curable, dog. That's 2012, bro.
I got
2 pills, dog.
I got 2 this week.
Or a shot. It don't matter. You know what? You
They cancel each other out.
So I'm just saying, dog. I'm not. My sexual game's not there to where I can be like. I'm just. I couldn't fuck with people in or around the area. I couldn't do that.
You ever fucked a woman in the ass?
No. On record, no.
Are you scared?
Well, yeah. 'Cause
You don't like the fuzzy stuff?
They no. Here's my thing. Like they shit like we shit. Nah, I couldn't do it, dog.
You have. I can tell. You're Chicano. You're a nasty fucker, just like us.
This guy, you can tell he's done it. That's the face of somebody that'd be like, I'll fuck you in the ass. Like if some girl's like, hey.
That's how I break the ice. That's how I break the ass.
That's what I usually do.
My name's gotta be.
That's usually how. If she says no, I say no.
If you don't fucking ass and swallow, we ain't gotta even get each other's numbers.
I think look, girls want to know how to keep guys simple. 3 rules: cook, be quiet, swallow. Your boyfriend will never cheat on you. Maybe he will. He got one vagina.
We would.
Girls didn't understand. They get cheated on for the simple fact they got one vagina. You know what I'm saying? If a girl had multiple vaginas,
We get tired of all of them.
yeah, you. Yeah.
We need a different fit, bro.
You know what? I think women need to relax because if your man's cheating on you with several chicks, he loves you. But if it's just one, that's his other girlfriend.
That's his other
Whatever
chick.
you got in black, she got some white.
Yes.
That's my theory.
He comes home to you, but he spends his time with her.
Yeah.
So they balance out. He's balanced
Fuck other
out.
bitches, but I make love to her. That's what it is. Fucking other bitches, making love to them.
Support the great Eddie
Anthony
Murphy.
A, man. Anthony A, breaking it down on how to keep a relationship going.
Don't be pussy when you want.
Ladies, he don't do anal sex. Don't call him. He's boring.
Let's do it like, no, it's not boring, dog.
He'll bone you for 8 hours and you're just not getting no backdoor
First
action.
of all, I'm too Mexican for that. I sweat too much. Couldn't bone her for 8 hours. I'll separate sweat all over her.
My foreskin will get chapped if I fuck that long. Foreskin gets chapped, you fucking
I
that
usually keep
long.
my shit a little trim, so it's like 2 Brillo pads brushing up each other. It's too much, dog.
Hey, BVS. Tell him why you're the dopest Latin artist I know.
We out here in the 505, man. It's the desert. It's hot out here, man. Y'all get it in and get off. Fuck with your boy Juan Gambino's VVS. The reason why I'm the hottest is because I stay the hottest. I does my thing. If you don't believe me, come see.
BBS. Gambino's in the building.
We are in the building.
Sam, DJ Royal, Cliff Ridge. We're all out here, man.
That shit you did to the YOLO team. I gotta have that MP3. You didn't have no download to it. That's
Oh
fucked
yeah,
up.
no, I'll get you that. The motto.
That was
I'm
cold.
on the heels. I am on the heels.
That's cold.
I better not see them nowhere, bro. I'm going to jail. I promise you. If I see them anywhere.